Guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add no-follow links in WordPress. Let's get started. So you can see right here on my page that I have this particular links right here. So when I try to inspect it, so let's try to inspect it right here. I can actually see that we have these links. So let's select this particular thing right here. And this right here is a follow link that we can actually click. And when we click on it, it will open a new tab. Now we want to make this a no follow link. So we need to head over and install plugin. So in here, just head over, click on plugins, click on add new. And then from in here, let's head over and search in here for a plugin on our WordPress plugin marketplace. So for this one, let's head over and search in here for external links. So let's search in here for that. And then once you have searched this, you should be able to see some search results related to this one. So you can see these options right here. I'll head over and install this one by Web Factory. So let's head over and click on this. And then click on this install and activate. And then this will install this particular plugin. So it has now been added. So let's scroll down right here on the left sidebar until we can see this WP external links. Click on this one, and then once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see the settings for that. So here's it is. So you can also just subscribe to this one in order to actually make this possible. Once you have subscribed for that, you should be able to see this. So here it is right here. So this is what it looked like. So we have in here this external links. So you can make this skip as is, but we want to make it a no follow. So what we can do is we can head over and then just choose the ones that we can use for this one. So click on this follow or no follow. Make sure to click on no follow right here. And then once you have done that, scroll down and click on the save changes right here in order to save all your changes. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps to reach more people. See you soon.